Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lindsay Taylor and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just have this really pretty like Valentine's-y purple smoky eye look, and if you guys want to check it out, just go ahead and keep watching. So I already went ahead and like primed my eyes just with some concealer and powder and did my eyebrows. So this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, the Vault collection thing that she came out with, and I'm going to be using the palette Bling Bloss, which is this really purple, or really pretty purple colors. So yeah, so what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to go in with the color Hush Hush, just as a little transition shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buff it in to the crease, and then also just right above the crease as well. Okay, and one little thing that I like to do just to make sure like things blend well is I'll take my mirror and I'll actually look at myself like going down like this, if that makes sense. And then that kind of helps you see if you have any like harsh lines or like if anything else needs to be blended out. So like right here, there's a little bit of a harsh line. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit more of Hush Hush and just go over it again. And also a good tip is I'm holding my brush at the end, so that way I have less pressure on the brush, so that way it blends out just a little bit softer. Just some little tippages for you guys. I'm going to be going in with this Urban Decay brush that came with one of my Naked palettes, and I'm just going to take the color Rockstar. It's just this really pretty plum color, purpley plum color, whatever. I'm just going to dip into that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to start packing this and just dabbing it into the corner of my eye right here. And I'm also going to bring this down along the lash line just a touch. Just like that. And now I'm going to start going up and just really creating the crease that I want. Now that I got that all done, I'm going to go in with a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to use the color Mystic right here. It's just a darker purpley brown color, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to deepen up the crease in the outer corner just a little bit. And with this color, because it is so dark, I'm going to be really careful where I use it and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start here, just like how we did with the other shade, and just lightly go back and forth. And this is just going to deepen it up. So I'm just using it right on my lash line right now. And then I'm going to change the angle of my brush going up and bring this color right here into this crease, just doing like a tight little just so I get this a little bit more of a deep purple color. So now what I'm going to do is just take this angled fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go over that and just blend any blend all of these out. Blend both of these colors together just a little bit more seamlessly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Mystic again and just using this flat dense brush, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lash line just to give just a little bit more color there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit more of this Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer, and I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. And I'm going to do a little bit of a cut crease. Okay, now I'm going to try and keep my eye as open as possible, and I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go in with the color, with the shade Ballsy, which is just right here, this pretty shimmery pink color. And I'm going to go in with my index finger, and I'm just going to take this and put it right where I just cut the crease at. And then using my middle finger, I'm just gonna go and blend this out just a little bit. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna fix where the concealer got where I didn't want it really quick, and then also just blend this just a little bit more. And I'm actually gonna take just a little bit more of Mystic, blending brush, just to kind of a clean one, well, sort of clean, and I'm just gonna go through and blend out these edges right up here because I'm not liking the way they're looking. And I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit more of Hush Hush while I do this. What is that hair doing? Just hide that. Ooh. Okay, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is do my foundation and concealer off camera, and then I will be back so that we can finish up the lower lash line and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to take the same brush from before, just this angled fluffy brush thingy, whatever, and I'm going in with a little bit of Mystic, and I'm just going to take that right underneath my lash line. Alright, and then I just went in with like just a clean little fluffy brush and just blended it out a little bit, and then that's pretty much the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and put on mascara. Went ahead, put on my lashes, all of that fun stuff. So now I'm just gonna go through, do some highlight and lips, and then I'm done. So I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my little Real Technique sponge, and I'm gonna be taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Frost in Frozen Peach, and I'm just going to put this right where my highlight would go. Okay, so then I'm also going to go over that, top of that again, with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Princess Cut, which is just his pink highlighter. Lips, I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Lip Ammunition in whatever this shade is. I don't know, it doesn't say, so it's just this nudie color. Just like that. And I'm going to go in the Velour Liquid Lipstick by Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade Jeffree Who. Okay, so now that lipstick and everything is on, I'm going to go ahead and go through and just put on some setting spray, and then we're done. Okay guys, and there you have it. That's the finished look. It's just a pretty pinky purple Valentine's-y look. So yeah. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and comment down below whatever you want. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.